You're gonna see how gold bar is created on industrial level.
Every ounce of gold begins its life buried in stone.
Before machines move, science leads the way.
Stone is opened by controlled force. Rening klicks and ingiechen. Energy is placed with absolute precision. Silence falls before controlled violence. Stone yields under engineered power. The mountain breaks into opportunity. Raw gold begins its journey. Stone moves by sheer scale. Every ton is recorded.
Gold is measured before it is trusted.
Gravity assists industry. The stone meets its first transformation. Nothing resists preparation. Gold waits in silent heaps. The factory calls for feed.
Stone leaves the earth behind.
The factory takes control from here. The first reduction reshapes the mountain. Flow replaces force. Stone learns uniformity. Only the right size may pass. Efficiency closes the circle. Storage stabilizes the system. Control replaces chance. Purity begins by subtraction. Quality is checked continuously. The plant listens to numbers. Stone enters the chamber of change. Water unlocks the next transformation. Impact replaces resistance.
Fineness is about to be judged.
Gravity and velocity decide. Gold is freed at microscopic scale.
The stone is now ready to give up its gold.
This is where stone becomes system. Flow never stops at the threshold.
Safety enters before production.
Control refines momentum. Scale becomes orchestration.
The plant's arteries pulse continuously.
The plant's arteries pulse continuously. Pressure moves the process. Data watches every ton. Water is recycled with care.
Chemistry waits behind discipline.
Exactness defines chemistry. Paths divide to reveal value. Weight begins to speak. Prepared for the unexpected. Readiness prevents downtime. The path is always visible. Now, gold starts to separate. Unwanted matter leaves the process first. Excess weight is discarded.
Gold answers to gravity.
Weight reveals value.
Not everything is ready to give up gold.
Ocean separates the subtle from the light. Gold finally shows itself. Value is gathered carefully. Nothing valuable is abandoned. Moisture leaves, density remains. Early gold is guarded. Size decides the next path. Chemistry prepares the stage. Balance is constantly checked. The process slows to concentrate. Water is never wasted.
Gold is now ready for chemistry.
Chemistry takes over where mechanics end. Gold is invited into solution. Safety and efficiency share the same balance.
Even air plays a role.
Gold finds a new surface to cling to.
Gold is captured and held.
The capture cycle continues.
Recovery is guided by data.
What remains must be rendered harmless. Responsibility follows extraction.
Safety is verified, not assumed.
Captured gold moves forward. Purity begins before release. Gold is persuaded to let go. Gold leaves the carbon behind. The cycle renews itself. Gold is dissolved, but not yet solid. Electricity becomes the final persuader. Invisible motion creates visible wealth. Gold returns to solid form. Balance governs recovery. Yield confirms precision. The harvest pauses the current. Gold emerges for the first time. Purity requires cleansing.
Metal gathers by hand.
Moisture leaves, value stays.
Gold prepares for fire.
Nothing is wasted. Chemistry sets the melt. The furnace is fed. Recovery resets for continuity. Gold approaches fire. Heat prepares the final transformation. Stone's journey nears its climax. Fire becomes the final catalyst. Solid memory dissolves into liquid truth. Impurities rise to be removed. Consistency is forged in motion. Only purity stays behind.
Timing is everything.
Gravity takes command. Fire gives way to form. Gold takes its first solid shape. Patience locks in strength. Gold stands on its own.
Value is measured precisely.
Identity follows the metal.
Purity awaits its final test.
The cycle prepares to repeat.
Teat finally releases its grip.
From fire to finesse. Refining begins with a clean slate. Form adapts for purity.
Opposites prepare to exchange.
Chemistry is tuned to perfection.
Purity migrates under control.
What doesn't belong is set aside. The exchange is complete. Pure gold stands revealed.
$99.99.
Purity returns to liquid. Value takes its final shape. Strength locks in quietly. Truth is verified scientifically. Identity is forged. Value rests under guard.
Perfection allows no surface flaws.
Even the inside must tell the truth. Purity is proven, not assumed. Science confirms value. Numbers speak without bias. Gold earns its identity. Traceability is absolute. Trust is built through verification.
Value moves only under watch.
Integrity is physically enforced.
Movement is always monitored. Nothing is missing.
Eyes never blink.
Responsibility ends only with release.
The journey resumes.
Every safety yard confirmed.
Hey, sorry, Smell.
Gold is cleared for departure. Protection preserves perfection.
Once closed, nothing changes.
Identity meets destination.
Strength surrounds value. Movement is now controlled.
Every impact will be remembered.
Nothing is left uncounted. Gold moves only with permission.
The outsworld waits.
Value enters transit.
Nothing moves without restraint. Trust is sealed.
From earth to precision. One system, one journey.
And this is how modern factories produce gold from stone to purity.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.